The formula we can write as reciprocal. Reciprocal is nothing but reversed. So that will be called as a formula as 1 by R. Similarly, conductivity also we are represent. This is represented by means of sigma. ఇక్కడనేమో రో తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం, ఇక్కడ సిగ్మా తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. సిగ్మా is equals to 1 by rho. 1 by rho. So these are the formulas we are used for resistance, resistivity, conductance and conductivity. So simply resistance can be defined as it is a substance or a property of material which is opposite flow of electrons, that is we are called as a resistance. The property of resistance we are called as a resistivity, which is given specific area, that is represented by means of rho. Similarly, conductance, it is a reciprocal of resistance. ఇవే వర్డ్స్ వన్ లైన్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అన్ని కూడా. కండక్టెన్స్ ఇస్ ద రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ రిప్రజెంట్ బై మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ G, formula as a G is equals to 1 by R. Similarly, conductivity, it is represented by means of sigma. It is a reciprocal of resistivity and 1 by rho. So therefore, sigma is equals to 1 by rho. ఇవన్నిటికి కూడా యూనిట్స్ ohms. అన్నిటికి కూడా యూనిట్స్ వచ్చేసి ohms. It may be resistance, units are the ohm, this is also ohm and this is also ohm. All are having the same units. Generally conductivity ni manamu Siemens తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఆర్ మో. రెసిప్రోకల్ is nothing but 1 by mho. So here also 1 by ohms. 1 by ohm ne manamu mho, MHO. So here also mho. So these are the formulas we are using for resistance, resistivity, conductance and conductivity. Right. So next we discuss about what is the relationship. Okay. So what is the relationship for a material R? So R having a specific relationship, that is nothing but our resistance of a material is always directly proportional to length. So resistance is always directly proportional to length, and it is inversely proportional to area. It is inversely proportional to area. So these two factors should be we are considered. So at the same time, rest of factors also will be there. That is the temperature and nature of material. Nature of material. So these are the four factors will be important while we are calculating the resistance values for a given material. So generally in the previous we discussed about every material having the some properties. So here also resistance also, it is depending upon the four factors. So these are the factors affecting on performance of a resistance value. So what are the four factors is there? The resistance is depending upon the length of material, next depending upon area of material, and depending upon the temperature. At the same time, it is depending upon the nature of material. So if it is a good conductor, definitely the type of material will be changed. So if it is a different materials will be used, the temperature coefficient of every material also changes. సో మనం ఇంతకు ముందు డిస్కస్ చేసినటువంటి రెసిస్టర్స్ అన్ని వాల్యూస్ లో కూడా మనం చేంజ్ అవుతావచ్చు, రైట్? సో ఇట్ విల్ బి చేంజెస్. టెంపరేచర్ విల్ బి వీఆర్ కన్సిడర్ ఫ్రమ్ sometimes we are taking from minus 20 degrees to 250 degrees, sometimes we are taking from minus 50 to 350 degrees. So that ranges will be we are considered. Means material to material, the temperature coefficient will be changes, means the melting point also changes. That is also we have considered, because if the temperature is exceeded that ranges or below that ranges, automatically the resistance value changes. That is also one of the factors. Next, the second one, nature of the material also, it is an important. So which material we are selecting for the resistance? It is a high resistance value, low resistance value or medium resistance value. So those three also very important while we are considering the resistance value. If it is a low resistance value, automatically the resistance value may be decreases. Medium, it may be constant. If you are selecting high resistance value, the resistance value definitely it will be affecting on the performance. So because of that reason, there are four important factors will be we are consider the factors affecting on the resistance value. So resistance will be directly proportional to length, directly inversely proportional to area, directly proportional to temperature and directly proportional to the nature of material. So these all will be we are considered. Right? So simple గా దీనికి మనం ఒక టైటిల్ ఇచ్చామనుకోండి, the factors affecting on performance of resistance. So there are four factors will be there. The first one is the length, the second one is the area, third one is the temperature, and fourth one is the nature of material. Nature of material. So these four are important while we are calculating the resistance values. Right, Sriman, it is no problem. So why they are exiting, we don't know. But whatever it may be, we will continue our class. So this is a last topic. Just we have discussed today only two topics. That is about what is meant by resistance and resistivity, conductance and conductivity. That is belongs to one topic. And second one we discussed about relationship between the factors or factors affecting on the performance of resistance. ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలిస్తేనే మనం ముందున్నటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. రైట్? సో ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆల్వేస్ ద రెసిస్టెన్స్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు లెంత్ and inversely proportional to area. It may be small or capital A. And it is, there are the two statements. Resistance is directly proportional to length, resistance is inversely proportional to cross section area. So just we are assuming this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So from equation 1 to equation 2, so both are in terms of R. So that's why we are writing as a R is proportional to L by A. So while we are comparing with the equation 1 and equation 2, we are getting the equation as a R is in proportional to L by A. So ippudaina manaku equation lo proportional constant will be we are removed. So if you want to remove the proportional constant, a constant we should be introduced here. So that constant is R is equal to rho into L by A, where rho is a proportional constant. Where rho is a constant. Units such as ohm. So R is equal to rho into L by A. So ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీదనే మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేది డిస్కస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. సో ఇక్కడ rho is a specific resistivity, R is a resistance, L is a length of conductor, next A is the area or cross section area of the conductor. So these four will be important while we are calculating the resistance value. So for example, he may be give the specific resistance value as a 0.01, length is given as a 2 meters, area is also given as a 3 meters. So directly we are substituting the values. So find out the resistance value, R is equal to 0.01 into 2 by 3. So ఇది సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి ఆన్సర్ అయితే వస్తుందా, దట్ ఈస్ ద రెసిస్టెన్స్ వాల్యూ. సో ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని కూడా మనల్ని 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్ లేదా మాక్సిమం 3 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగేటువంటి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంది. రైట్, ఆల్ ఆర్ యు గెటింగ్ ద పాయింట్?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, దీని ముందు ఏదైనా క్లాస్ జరిగిందా మీకు?
ఇంగ్లీష్.
ఓకే, డాటా సఫిషియెంట్ గా ఉండట్లేదా? 130 క్లాస్ అయ్యేసరికి ఆల్మోస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ డిక్రీజెస్ టు 20, 18, 14 in this ranges only I can observe.
Today only 2 classes, sir.
What is the problem?
Today only no drawing class.
Right. Who will miss the class? They will all. But number is not important thing. But you should focus on the concept because second chapter is a lengthy chapter. Okay. There are so many problems will be come from the second chapter related to the resistivity. Right. So today only we have the 2 topics. Tomorrow we will discuss about the numerical problems related to the resistivity, how we can solve. So first I want to repeat again those things. What is mean by resistance and resistivity, conductance and conductivity. So simply resistance is nothing but the property of material which is opposite flow of electron, that is we are called as a resistance. Resistivity is nothing but the material which is offers the resistance with a given location or the area, that is will be we are called as a resistivity. Resistivity will be changes from material to material. That is depending upon the type of material. Once we are selecting the gold which is offers 1 resistivity, we are selecting silver which is offers 1 resistivity, we are selecting copper, iron or bronze, whatever the conductive material we are selected, the resistivity will be changes from material to material. So ఆ resistivity అన్నిటిని మనం యాడ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేది మనకు resistance, right? So with a specific area we are calculating the resistivity. Resistance is the entire material offering whatever offers the resistance, that is we are called as a resistance value. Conductance is the reciprocal. Resistivity ki opposite conductivity, resistance opposite conductance. That is represented by means of capital Z and sigma. Next we discuss about what are the factors affecting on the resistivity. So there are 4 factors is affecting on the resistivity. First one we discuss about it is always directly proportional to the length. Second one, always it is inversely proportional to cross section area. And third one, it is affecting on the temperature as well as nature of material. So what type of material we are selecting, that is also decided the resistance value. So it may be conductor, semiconductor or insulating material. So those are the important 4 things. దాంట్లో మళ్ళీ మనము మేజర్ గా ఫోకస్ చేసేది 2 points ఓన్లీ. రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఇస్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు లెంత్, ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు క్రాస్ సెక్షన్ ఏరియా. సో ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు మనం అలా తీసుకున్నామనంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వీఆర్ సెలెక్టింగ్ ఏ మెటీరియల్. దిస్ ఇస్ a one material. So what we write here, R is directly proportional to length. So just we are assuming this is the internal resistance. So there are, it is a 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? So just we are assuming it is a 1 meter length. 1 meter length, the resistance will be offered here is a, there is a up to here, it is offered 1 ohm, is a 1, 1. So totally at 1 meter it is offered the 4 ohm of resistance. 4 ohm of resistance. Then again we are increasing the length from 1 meter to 2 meters. So means from here to here again it is increases to 1 meter. So there are 4 resistance will be offered. 1, 1, 1, 1. So totally there is a 4 ohm. So finally the total resistance R is equal to 4 plus 4, that implies 8 ohms. Means what happens here, when the length is increases, automatically the resistance value also increases. So that is a primary relationship. That is a primary relationship. Similarly, we say the second concept, inversely proportional to cross-section area. R is inversely proportional to cross-section area. Right? Inverse relationship is nothing but what? If A is increases, R is decreases. If A is decreases, R value increases. For example, this is a free space. This is a free space. The electrons will be freely moving. These are the negative charges. Is moving freely. Right? There are 4 electrons, just we are assuming. So there are 4 electrons will be available in a free space. Right? So this is the original area. If we are decreasing the area, means so we are reducing the area from this section to this section. So the movement of electrons is not freely moving because there is no free space. Because of that reason, it will be very consumed consecutively, or it may be restricted for a limited area. So because of that reason, the resistance offered is increases. Actually, there are space will be reduces. Because of that reason, the resistance value increases. Similarly, for example, if you are increasing the area, we are double the area. So there is a possibility of moving of charges from anywhere. So there is a lot of space will be available. Because of that reason, resistance will be decreases. Means whenever opposition, there is no able to move free charges from anywhere, so then it will be acting as a conductor. Means the resistance value decreases when area is increases. Similarly, when we are reducing the area, means A will be reduces, automatically resistance property will be increases because the restriction for the electrons will be take place. So this is an important concept. While we are doing the calculations, we should remember. So from these two relationships, we can write as a B is directly proportional to L by A. So but in any expression, we are removing the proportional constant. Instead of that, a constant will be, we are replaced R is equal to rho into L by A, where rho is the resistivity of material, L is the length of conductor in meter, area A is the cross-section area of a given conductor, that is in the meters. In the meters is meter, these are the ohms, so totally ohms. Because numerator denominator la meter units cancel out, manaku migiledi ohms maatrame. Therefore, R is equal to rho into L by A ohms. This is a formula. Right? So ఈ ఫార్ములాని యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనము చిన్న చిన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేది సాల్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. సో సాల్వ్ చేసే ప్రాబ్లం లో సింపుల్ గా వీఆర్ అజ్యూమింగ్ a length is 100 meters. A 100 meters length of conductor and area is 0.1 millimeter square and the resistivity